So it's Sunday morning, 22nd. It's exactly 9 o'clock on the dot. I arrived at this service call scheduled on a Sunday morning, which I thought was between 8 and 10. I got here at 8:42. Called the homeowner. I got the husband on the phone saying that, "Oh, you're there for the heating?" I was like, "No, I'm here for the air conditioning that you scheduled for this morning." And he goes, "What time was scheduled for?" I was like, "Between 8 and 10. He goes, "I'll be there in 5 minutes." I was like, "Let me call my wife." So I ring the doorbell, and that was at 8:44. It's now 9:01. Let's go ring the doorbell again, and I'm out of here. Sorry for the dogs. Everyone is sleeping. Card right there. Took a picture of my card at the front door with using my other phone to show the time on the screen, and I sent the homeowner an invoice for a trip charge of $115. No one home for a scheduled appointment. Leaving at 9:05. It is what it is. The joys of doing service, residential especially. Doesn't happen often, but once in a blue moon it does. It is what it is. Nonetheless, here I am at the shop, 9:10 in the morning on Sunday. By the way, during our Free Fridays event, day before yesterday, on Friday, we actually sold a private label Mikey Pipes by ACIQ system. This exact model, believe it or not. 18,000 BTUs, which is a ton and a half. Amazing. It's phenomenal equipment. It is just so crazy. So advanced. So many. It's literally filled with features. Anyway, we are going to be mailing out poster number 32 of 150 of the version 2.0 Mikey Pipes. If you ain't testing, you're guessing. This poster I had commissioned at the Hatch Show Print in Nashville, Tennessee, at the Country Music Hall of Fame. Let's autograph this one. There you go. I'm going to be mailing this out to High-Low Services in Huntsville, Alabama. Thank you so much for your $42.50 donation to the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy Charitable Organization. That's my 501c3 charity, where we provide free or low-cost plumbing, heating, and cooling services to those in the community who can't afford to hire a professional. And I say community, I mean nationwide. We have done more jobs outside the metropolitan New York City, Long Island area than here. A month ago, we installed a water heater for free to an older gentleman. Check out the details on the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy YouTube channel. I'm going to be rolling this one up, 32 of 150. You can, guys and gals, you can get one as well. $42.50. A portion of the proceeds go towards my nonprofit organization. You're going to get 5 stickers. You're going to get a pen. You're going to get a magnet. and you're going to get my business card. All for $42.50. You cannot buy it anywhere else except directly from me. And be warmed. Have that warm heart and be comforted when you get that donation sent to me and I send you a poster. Also, guys, my nonprofit just received a $75 check from the Network for Good. If you watch any of my Mikey Pipes Pipe Doctor YouTube videos or the Mikey Pipes Uncensored videos, there's donation links. You can donate through YouTube, and they use the Network for Good organization to remit payments to the nonprofits. So it's another good way to pay it forward and give back to the community. So now back to the service call that I was at. I got there at like 8:41. I had called the homeowner as I was arriving. I called him and said, "Hey, Mr. Blah, blah, blah." I was like, "Mike from Pipe Doctor, I'm here." And he's like, "You're here for the heating service call?" I was like, "No, I'm here for the air conditioning service call. You know, the one that you had scheduled early in the week?" And then the wife's texting me now all of a sudden after I leave, 25 minutes later, now the wife is texting me, "When can you come back?" I was like, "I can come back when you call, you always make an appointment." I sent them an invoice for the $115 trip charge. I attached a picture of me there. It's not nice. They're like, "Oh, did he know what time you were coming? I didn't know you were coming so early." I was like, "Yes, when the appointment was made, you got a text message of when the appointment was. When I was on the way, you got a text message, and you also got it when the job started. And I also spoke to him on the phone." So it sucks, but it is what it is. It is what it is. You know what I mean? So I don't know. It's going to be a heat wave today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. I'm stressed because I'm nervous about doing 2 systems on Tuesday in an attic. It's going to be hard.